Ever opened up a dead monitor, power supply, or control board and seen these innocent-looking cylindrical components? Meet electrolytic capacitors, the silent assassins of electronics. After 2 decades of component-level repairs, I can tell you they're behind more failures than any other part. Today, I'm sharing my professional testing secrets that can save your expensive equipment. Before we dive in, let's get our tools ready. You'll need a decent digital multimeter with AC voltage capability, basic safety knowledge, always discharge caps first, and most importantly, a systematic approach to testing. Remember, we're dealing with potentially stored energy here, so safety first. Here's what most people don't realize about electrolytic capacitors. They operate on a logarithmic failure curve. After about 5 years, their internal resistance starts creeping up, their electrolyte slowly dries out, and their filtering capability degrades. But here's the fascinating part. They don't just die instantly. They give us warning signs, and with the right technique we can catch them before they take down your entire system. Now here's my tried and true diagnostic technique that I've perfected over thousands of repairs. First, power up your device. Yes, while it's running. Set your multimeter to AC voltage mode. This is crucial. Most technicians miss problems because they only check DC. Place your probes across the capacitor terminals. Here's the golden number to remember: 0.3 volts AC. If you're seeing anything above 0.3 volts AC across that capacitor, it's not doing its filtering job anymore. It's essentially becoming a resistor, letting AC ripple through where it shouldn't be. But wait, there's more. When testing, here are some pro-level insights. Check the capacitor temperature after 15 minutes of operation. Look for subtle bulging on the top plate. Compare readings between identical capacitors in the circuit. Pay special attention to caps near heat sources. They age faster. And always check the ESR if you have an ESR meter. Remember, capacitors from the same production batch tend to fail within months of each other. It's like they have a synchronized death pact. Here's how this knowledge saves you money. When you find one failing cap, look around the board for its siblings, capacitors of the same value and voltage rating. They're likely from the same manufacturing batch. Replace them all at once, and you've just prevented your next repair job. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, especially when we're talking about expensive electronics. Quick bonus tips from the repair bench: always match voltage ratings exactly. Temperature ratings are just as important as capacitance. Low ESR caps must be replaced with low ESR caps. Keep your replacement caps in a cool, dry place. Follow for more deep dive tech tips and repair secrets. Next week, I'll show you how to spot counterfeit capacitors that are flooding the market. And yes, they're more common than you think.